Hi guys, today we have another basic unboxing video of iPhone S. Well, this is iPhone 16e. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, this is the black version, 128 gigs. Okay, any descriptions in there? No description whatsoever, so we'll open the box. Okay, something about RFID tamping. Can't do it. I think I need to get my Stanley knife. Okay. So got some RFID stickers. That was difficult to cut. Okay. And can we? No, we need to pull the tabs off as well. Okay. And pull these tabs off as well. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that was a bit unusual. So, that's the back of iPhone 16e. Okay. Some quick explanation. You got the power button, volume rockers, and the notification. I think this is also you can map this key, to be fair. Okay. So single camera on the back, main camera. Inside here we've got the normal USB-C to USB-C and a SIM tool. And we also got a bit of a quick start guide and nothing else in the box. Everything is nicely packed. Nice and tight. So okay, so this is the predecessor on iPhone SE 3rd generation. Sorry, this is the new version of iPhone SE. It's classed iPhone 16e, and it looks actually quite nice. The screen looks quite nice. So you still got the face recognition cameras on the top. Obviously, SIM slots. I believe this would support eSIM as well. You got USB-C, which is actually quite nice. Just gonna switch the phone off. Sorry. Switch the phone on. See what we're dealing with. Apple logo. Popping up. I hope I don't need to go through the whole setup that you normally go through. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, might need to crop this video. Okay, hello. Can I? Nope. Okay, so we need English. We are in United Kingdom, which is at the bottom. I'm being prompted on all my devices. Do I want to set up a new device? In this case, I'm not interested. So I just did an unboxing on nothing 3A phone, and okay, so I said a bit of a cancel with some of the nonsense that you need to go through the setup. Welcome to iPhone. Let's swipe up to get started. Okay, so yeah, this is it's not really a small, seems like 60 Hz display, so I'll probably have to crop this up. You got the action button, Apple Intelligence nonsense, which is not impressive. So you got face recognition. Okay, so this is the new with the new iPhone 16e, which is the new SE version. You've got face recognition and obviously face unlocking and all that good stuff. So what you're dealing on here, you've got A18 chip. You got the 48 megapixel fusion camera, but basically it's like 2-in-1 cameras. So you've got the 48 megapixel camera, high resolution, optical quality to telephoto for selfies, and you also got 12 megapixel front camera. So the fusion is at the back, and you've got the multiple sensors and etc. for face recognition, depth sensors on the top. You've got 6.1 OLED ceramic shield display, and they're describing the battery as supersized battery life, so I'm not sure what that means. So there's not much to really talk about this phone. Obviously, this is the newest SE version. The back is just normal matte finish. The frame looks like aluminum. So yeah, so not I don't know what to say. You've got the flash camera, the fusion camera, the OLED display. It's 60Hz display, so it's a bit slow. Let's see the camera. Set up later. So you got one zoom. Okay, and two zooms. So what's my feelings with this? It's a nice phone. It's an iPhone at the end of the days. It cost $599, which I don't know. It's not an SE anymore, is it? Because the SE normally started about £400. This is now £600 phone, and for 600 quid these days, you can really get yourself some great phones. Yeah, probably there will be Samsungs, but you can still get a fairly decent like nothing phone or similar Huawei Oppo phones. It's just that the price range that this goes into now, it doesn't really make it desirable, at least not to me. I don't know if the other guys that you want to get on the iPhone chain, it's a nice phone to hold, small phone. I'm not sure about the battery life. How's that gonna work out? I've been told great things about the battery, so it might be good as they say. Camera is good enough for what it is. You still got the Apple ecosystem, so you can use your Apple devices with it. So it might be a good choice for someone that wants to have an Apple phone and they don't really want to spend a lot of money for the Pro versions and stuff. So obviously with this you get all your future updates for up to 5 years, slightly more than 5 years I believe. So you're kind of future proof and like to turn it to. But yeah, generally that's my opinion. This is obviously the basic unboxing video. I'm not going to go into much details, but yeah, that's what you get. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this type of content. It's a non-sponsored content. I don't get paid for this, so it's all out of my own money, my own pocket. I hope you do enjoy it, and if you do enjoy it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.